This is a short video on how to group clashes, but trying to avoid touching any of the clashes that are already grouped. So if I go over here to Clash Detective, if I go to the results, you'll actually see I've got some groups in here, but I also have some single clashes that haven't been grouped yet. So I want to regroup those, but I don't want to mess with any of these. So what I do here is I go over here to Clash Manager, and I'm just going to have this set up to say no grouping or no level and system name. Now, in the 2019 version, you could check this box here, say show ungrouped clashes. I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to go in and I'm going to select my test. This is going to load all the clashes. And I'll expand this out. And you'll see right here, these are the ones that are already grouped. You've got to have this clash group in here. If I happen to take that off, then I don't see it. So I need to have that clash group in there. So let me pull up my column chooser and I'll put clash group right back in there. So there you can see these are all the clashes that are already grouped. So if I want to leave those alone, all I do is I push this group back here, the top one. Clash group, these are all the new ones that are regrouped. So that's the key here. Always look for the one here that doesn't have a name after it. Those are the clashes that have not been grouped and they'll be regrouped. Now in this 2019 version, you can click on this, show ungrouped clashes only. And now it's going to turn off all those other ones so I don't see them. And now you've only got this one group here. So now you know when you push these clashes back that you'll have just the new clashes regrouped. So I'm going to uncheck that once again, just to throw those all back in here, just to show you how to do this without that checked. Expand this out one more time. I'm going to grab that group there, which I know is already grouped in here, and I'm going to go create Clash Detective group. I'm going to go OK. I'll go ahead and get out of this. And now if I go back into Clash Detective, my results, everything has now been grouped and my original clashes were not affected at all. This concludes this short video on iConstruct regrouping clashes.